Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a pair of headphones from Soundcore. This is the Space One Pro, and it has high-res audio wireless and high-res audio, adaptive ANC 3.0, 40 hours with ANC, 60 hours without, noise cancellation system, 4 stages, extra feed-forward mic, expanded chamber, upgraded algorithm, high sensitivity driver, and ultra fast charge, 5 minutes, 8 hours. So if you charge them for 5 minutes, it will last you for 8 hours, which is crazy. 5 levels of transparency, multi-point connection, and on the back we have the way they fold, which is crazy. There's a carrying pouch, USB cable, like the jack for audio, or auxiliary, USB-C to A for charging. And you can see a few details in here. So when you open it, we can see how to control it. So the ANC button, you press it once and you can switch between active noise cancelling and transparency mode. The power button, you just on and off by pressing 2 seconds, and also activate pairing for the first time. Volume up, it has a volume rocker, and then if you press once, you will be volume up twice, the next track, and then volume down once and twice previous track. Actually press and hold, it is the option for 2 seconds, and then play and pause or activate the assistant. And this is how they swivel. They rotate like that, like this, like that. It's crazy, it's really good. So these are the headphones. As you can see, it's covered by nice padding all the way, and it's really comfortable, as you can see. This goes out like so and can fit larger heads. As you can see, it's pretty good. The cushions are very comfortable, and they have inside left right indicators. On the right side you have for microphones and all that kind of stuff. Then you have the volume rocker and the play and pause button, and on the other side you have the jack for headphones if you want, USB-C for charging power, and then the ANC button. ANC can be controlled from the app as well, and they stay like this. You can do it like that, and then in order to do it like so, I think it's this, and then you go with that, and then you come like this. So they go very compact. Look at that. I've seen this on Marshall headphones, the version 3, I think. Yeah. And let's just talk a bit about the sound. The sound, I find it very good. You can adjust the sound via the Soundcore app. You can get more bass, but I'm just using it as default and I'm happy with that. It has nice and clear highs, mids and bass. Then you can update the firmware via the app. You can set it to shut down after a specific time. There's no touch control. Some of you might like that, others might not like it. I don't mind. Buttons are fine. And yeah, I've been using them in noisy environments, and the ANC definitely does the job. It blocks rumbling noises and also voices pretty well. During calls, people can hear me very well, and I can obviously hear them the same. So yeah, I'm really impressed with them. That's why I wanted to do a short review, just to tell you about them. Thanks for watching.